is Sri Skandan and I'm an Australian citizen who has travelled all the way from Sydney, Australia to undertake this hair transplant journey. I got to know more about Adorn Clinic from my wife's colleague who is based out of Melbourne and who happened to undergo this hair transplant surgery more than a year ago. I had a lot of discussions with him, and then finally I got a chance to interact with him on a video call. After 1 year of his surgery, I was pleasantly surprised by the results, and that's when I was convinced that if I need to be at my best and look best, I need to definitely go with Adorn, because my wife's colleague was a classic example of results being delivered to client satisfaction. And based on that conversation, I got in touch with Adorn in October last year, and since then there have been a lot of discussions with support staff and who were very professional enough in addressing all my questions, and also with the panel doctors who were extremely knowledgeable and professional and took extra care and addressed all my questions to the utmost degree of satisfaction. And that's when I was convinced that I really need to undertake this hair transplant journey with Adorn Clinic, and that's how I planned my journey to visit Ahmedabad in the month of March. And the last 5 days, my experience with the clinic has been nothing short of extraordinary. I felt that I have a home away from home, where all the nursing staff, the support staff, the operational team and the panel doctors went above and beyond in discharging their duties with utmost professionalism, and the support staff ensured that both before and after the surgery I was being looked after very well in the suite, which I must admit I was very impressed with all the facilities that were provided in the suite, and I cannot recollect having any moment of anxiety or uneasiness, since the staff was literally available at the touch of a button, and I was treated to some wonderful and outstanding assistance. And talking about the hair transplant journey, the Dr. Disha Shah, I must go on record to say that she and her team did a fantastic job in conducting this surgery, and they talked me through the process and explained as to what they were performing, so that I was kept informed about the updates. And then Dr. Princey and Dr. Sarla also played their part to perfection by talking to me about the medicines and the various treatments which I shall be required to take once I get discharged from the clinic. And so all in all, I can say that I am extremely happy, and I am now looking forward to some fantastic results, and I just cannot wait to see my hair being grown to its normal self, because I simply want to be my best and look my best, and Adorn is my perfect companion when it comes to making this long fulfilled dream a reality. Thank you.